Hello everyone, it's Colette, and for day 9 in the 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this watercolor with a stamped tree. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are all from Holo. For the base color on my accent nails, I'm going to be using Not Milky White. Then I'm going to be doing a watercolor pattern and topping that with scattered Holo. And then I'll be stamping with Bring Me the Teal, as well as an unmagnetized Wicked Potion, and that combo is also what I'm going to have on my non-accent nails. For this watercolor design, I have 5 different shades of green. This one's leaning a bit more teal, and I also have a cut down paper cup with a little bit of 99% alcohol in it. I'm going to be drawing on my nails with the marker, and then I'm going to be using the alcohol to create the watercolor effect. For the alcohol, I'm using a medium-sized brush. It's kind of fluffy, and it can pick up like a little bit or a lot of bit of alcohol. I'm going to try to be somewhat judicious and not overflow it so that it doesn't get too much into my cuticles. But I'm just going to start gently dabbing small amounts of alcohol onto the nail. I'm going to go ahead and add another layer of marker and then add alcohol to that as well. And then once I finish that, I'm going to move on to the stamping. The image plate that I'll be using today is the What's Up Nails A022 plate, and we're going to be using this striped Christmas tree here. I'm going to first stamp it and bring me the teal, and then go over on top of it with Wicked Potion. I decided on a last-minute addition of a star to the top of the tree, so I'm going to be using this one from the MoYou London Crystal Collection 02 plate, which is full of crystals and snowflakes and other things such as this star. And to stamp with, I'm using Holo Amber Apathy. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. But I do think I liked it a little bit better in my polished sketchbook than I actually like it on my nails. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate how pretty this layering is. There's a lot of sparkle and even a little bit of hollow. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this as well as day 10, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.